More earnings in Satin Credit Care as well as one set. HP Singh, the CMD of Satin Credit Care Network, joins us on the show right now. Mr. Singh, hi, afternoon. What's led to this NI contraction and high provisioning, hence the losses in the fourth quarter for you?
So after demonetization, I think this was pretty evident that there was a lag in the collection efficiency because of currency shortage as well as RBI dispensation which was there, as well as loan waivers. So all that I think led us where there were delays in the collection efficiencies. Having said that, I think it's now picked up, and that's the reason why we have increased our provisioning from 1% to 1.75%, which has led to a probable loss of about 43 crores in this quarter. And overall, for the year ending, we've shown a PAT of about 25 crores, which is there. But having said that, I think the collection efficiencies are improving now, largely where we are touching close to about, which was earlier at a low of about 50 to 60%, is now touching close to about 96 to 98% now.
Right, fair point. What's the total interest reversal in the fourth quarter and the outlook for FY17 as well? Did you have to take any interest reversals?
We've taken an interest reversal of about 30 crores, and we've led to a higher provisioning of another 30 crores, so which is about approximately we've taken about 60 crores totally put together with the interest reversal as well as the higher provisioning. So that's about 60 crores.
Hi, Mr. Singh. This is Nayantara joining you from the New Delhi studio. You've alluded to the fact about the impact of demonetization, that RBI circular which had, extended the timeline for repayments as well. So, given all of that, I'm guessing the margins have also been impacted in the fourth quarter. What was it quarter on quarter, and can you give us a guidance for the new year?
We've given a guidance on our growth trajectory that we'll still be growing by about 45 to 50%. We were given a guidance for about 5,500 crores. And having said that, I think what we are looking at, since the collection efficiencies are now returning back to normal, I think, and the disbursement picking up now, fairly going ahead in the quarters ahead. The last quarter we did a disbursement of close to about 990 crores, which was probably in the last quarter, in the quarter previous to that, was fairly low, because after demonetization, November, December, we probably had no disbursement as such. So I think the margin will probably come up, the revenue guidance will also increase. We don't have numbers yet, but the revenue will increase technically because of higher disbursements now happening as things come back to normalcy.
Okay, so I guess like you're pointing out after demonetization, and I would imagine the election with Uttar Pradesh also having its impact and leading to higher disbursements. But can we talk a little more about the delinquencies or the payments recovery problems that you may have faced thanks to demonetization? What kind of NPA stress did you notice in the fourth quarter, any particular sectors?
So I'll tell you, a major for us were three states where we had a larger portfolio, so namely UP, Punjab and Uttarakhand, which were going to elections, as well as there was talk of farm loan waiver, which did happen in UP. So for us, our collection efficiency, if you look at it in terms of pointing it out to the NPAs and this, our collection efficiency in UP from a decimal low of about 35% in November has increased to now close to about 95 to 96% in UP alone. UP alone constitutes at least about 40% of our portfolio, which is now also dropped down a little bit, which is now about 35%. But if you look at this, the NPAs level will now, which started out technically in the quarter of December and moving forward ahead, will be pretty low. To give you this thing that without RBI, with RBI dispensation, our gross NPAs still stand at about 0.46%. So that is where what our gross NPAs is. And as these collection efficiencies improve after the RBI dispensation which ends, I think we're looking at NPA levels which could probably be slightly higher, but I think it's still under control, based on the collection efficiency, how it's panning out to be.
Singh, great chatting with you. Thanks so much for taking the time out, and good luck for the future quarters ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you.